In 2022, 1. Central banks actually delivered with respect to increasing interest rates, quite aggressively so in fact, and 2. It even seems central bank balance sheet reductions are becoming a quote-unquote thing. In other words, the very ingredients many thought would lead to an immediate implosion of the proverbial system popped up, and thus, a system addicted to cheap money had its training wheels taken away. Yet an earth-shattering crash did not manifest itself. Is it true that there were few places to hide in terms of asset exposure? Yes, it was indeed difficult not to lose money in 2022, but for the most part, the system didn't break, and the demolition was a controlled one. Even more so, quite a few contrarian observers make fun of those who predicted doom and gloom because, after all, disaster didn't strike. Some of the more aggressive critics even believe that the market, against all odds, will shoot upward and decisively punish bears who took part in the Captain Obvious short trade. At the end of the day, both sides raise valid points, and a few observations are in order. 1. Bears oftentimes get punished during even the harshest of bear markets, just like the bulls during roaring bull markets. Simply put, the higher probability long-term outcome revolves around losing money if you are a retail trader. 2. The crowd isn't necessarily always wrong. Most people quote-unquote predict that the overwhelming majority of Earth's population will still be alive tomorrow, or that an alien invasion will not take place. They'll probably be right. 3. With that in mind, bears are most likely correct when pointing out that over a decade of zero or even negative interest rates led to at least pockets of systemic fragility. Also factor in geopolitical risk, and it should be obvious why protecting yourself makes sense even if nothing seems to currently be breaking. All in all, A. A violent crash cannot be ruled out, and B. Even without one, a slow death by 1,000 cuts isn't exactly ideal either. Hope for the best, but please be extra careful.